So I thought, why not do another giveaway, and this time I'm giving away the Xiaomi Redmi 5. This is actually a really good budget phone and it has the modern 18:9 ratio display with the curved sides. It also has a good camera for its price, 3GB of RAM and 32GB of internal memory. The design is somewhat similar to previous years of Xiaomi, which we are used to, but it doesn't take away from how good this phone is for its price. If you want, you can select between 3 colors. You can select the blue, the gold or the black one. I will ask you and you can just answer which one you like. When you won, I will email the winner itself. So via ConceptsCreator@gmail.com I will mail you. There is no other way that I will get contact with you or any other email that I will make contact with you. So be sure to check the email address if you do get a message, just to be sure. Either way, you can enter via the link below and you can just follow the steps that you have to do to have a chance to win this phone. Also, there will be another giveaway and that's a bigger giveaway, but stay tuned for that. That will take a bit longer. Either way, have a good one and talk to you guys in the next